In a historic moment for Pakistan's defense leadership, Nambadar TV proudly brings a special message on behalf of the entire Nambadar community across the country. Today, the Central President of All Pakistan Nambadar Association, Nambadar Sardar Balban Hayat Dogar, along with all office bearers and members, extends heartfelt congratulations to Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir on his appointment as Pakistan's first Chief of Defence Forces. This appointment marks a new chapter in Pakistan's military history, one that reflects trust, discipline, and the highest standards of national service. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has officially approved the summary appointing Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir as both Chief of Army Staff and Chief of Defence Forces. For the first time in Pakistan's history, the country will be led by a Chief of Defence Forces, symbolizing a modern, integrated approach to national security. From Nambadar TV and the entire All Pakistan Nambadar Association, congratulations to Field Marshal General Syed Asim Munir. Long live Pakistan.